By request, let's make some miniature glasses. I start by taking some clear plastic and folding a piece of paper in half. Then I draw the shape that I want the lens to be and cut it out. There should be 2. I cut them out on clear plastic to make the lenses. I form clay around it to make the frame. You can make it whatever shape you want. And then bake this for about 2 minutes. I also make 2 small snakes that are curved at the end for the pieces that rest on the ear. And then I glue them on after they're baked for about 1 minute to make some glasses. Hope you like this quick craft.
Yes.
What the heck are you doing?
Icicle, I can't read how much I wrote to charge Evo for his costume. Can you tell me?
Sure, it says 10,000.
I don't think I was that stingy, Icicle.
What's that? Bring it to Evo? Okay. 10,000? Gee, Cleo!